Well, we're gonna see how this goes. I made a mark on these rods with a hacksaw, just a small shallow scratch, but it won't get obliterated by the powder coat. And I've got a dead blow, rubber-ended dead blow hammer, and I've given it a couple of whacks, and this one has moved quite a bit already. This one is being a little more stubborn, but this is going to get a little loud. But they are moving quite a bit. I just don't want to get them. Too misaligned, so it's binding.
I was so ready for this.
But it's coming out.
They didn't care about any of it. They wanted to know.
Drive that one back in a little bit. See if I can.
Friends, what I like to drink.
What are they planning a wedding?
I know. Well, I got a little annoyed.
How'd the interview go? Hey, you moving out?
So sick. What do you do there?
I don't know results.
She drowned in the dog.
Neither. So she was dead.
Acute strychnine toxicity.
Yeah, we'll keep going on this. Updates later. All right, I have got 4 of the 6 chairs disassembled, or at least the bases removed from the main chair part. And I have 2 of them that are giving me a bit of a headache. One side is loose, and then one side is what I feared. The spring, which is steel, has rusted. It's clogging or packed inside the aluminum tube frame of the chair. And I mean, I've got a dead blow hammer here, and I've been walloping on this thing. I even kept soaking it with penetrating oil, went in, had lunch, came back about a half an hour later, and it's not moving. So, and usually that kind of a hit on all the other ones has popped them loose. So what I'm going to try now is a little bit of heat. I'm hoping that the difference in expansion properties, if I just heat this tube area, the aluminum is going to expand a lot faster than the steel spring. And hopefully if I get it warm or a little bit hot and give it another couple wallops, it'll pop loose. So let's see what that does. But I'm just playing the heat on here because I just want to get the aluminum to expand. And don't want a lot of heat transfer to the steel spring. Well, it did move just a tiny bit, and that has been all it takes on the other ones to. Yeah, it moved about 1/16 of an inch or so. So I'm going to try a little more penetrant and let it sit, maybe a little more heat, and we'll see what happens. Slowly, but it's moving.
Why do you have to draw? You're not insured.
Slowly, but it is moving. There it goes. A little bit of heat, a little bit of oil. Got her loose. Done. It's a little warm. And I've got one more that's being stubborn. Yeah, this side over here is loose. This side's giving me a problem. So, rinse and repeat. Try this again. There it popped. Okay. Heat and penetrating oil can be your friend.